Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to look at some homonyms. And what are they? They are words that have more than one meaning. So please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also to hit the like and share button, okay? Alright, let's go! The word hot here means temperature. Drink plenty of water on a hot day. Don't touch the hot stove. The word hot can also mean spicy. The hot and sour soup is delicious. I use a lot of hot peppers in my cooking. The word root can mean a part of the plant. Trees get water from the roots. Pull the weed up by the roots. Root can also mean to cheer someone on. Good luck on your exam. We're all rooting for you. The fans root for their team. The word shower here means to clean your body. It feels good to take a hot shower after a busy day of work. She usually sings in the shower. The word shower can also mean a party. Sally is having a bridal shower before getting married next month. Nancy is having a baby next month. Let's get her some nice gifts for her baby shower. The word orange can mean a color. I'm wearing an orange shirt today. Orange is my favorite color. The word orange can also mean a fruit. There's an orange tree in my backyard. I love eating oranges. A bat is something that you use to play a sport. A baseball bat. A cricket bat. A bat is also an animal. Bats don't sleep at night. Bats live in caves. The word well means good. Eat well to live well. Good job. Well done. The word well can also mean a hole in the ground where people can get their water from. In the old days, people used well water to cook. Get some water from the well. The definition of mean is to represent something. What does this word mean? This symbol means no smoking. Mean is also not kind, not pleasant. Don't be mean to others. Be kind. He's such a mean person. The word bark is a sound that a dog makes. The dog barks loudly. The dog hears a strange sound and barks. The word bark is also the outer part of a tree. The tree bark is rough and dry. The bark is the outer layer of the tree. The word pretty means nice or something that looks good. That's a pretty dress. The winter lights are pretty. The other meaning to the word pretty is very or really. Those are pretty expensive shoes. That clown looks pretty funny. Park is a place where people go to have fun and to relax. Let's have a picnic at the park. There's a playground at the park. Park can also mean to put a car in a stationary position. I parked the car into the garage. We can park the car on the side street. Spring is one of the seasons of the year. Spring is my favorite season. Earthworms loosen the soil in the spring. A spring is also a small component that people use on their bikes, on their cars, or on other machines. The springs are made of steel. Put some new springs on your bike. The word watch means to see something, to look at something. The boys are watching cartoons on TV. It's a perfect day for bird watching. A watch is also a timepiece that you wear on your wrist. A digital watch. I wear a watch to work every day. A nail is the hard part on your finger. Ladies love painting their nails. She bites her nails when she's nervous. Nail can also mean a small piece of tool that people use to tighten something. He hammers a nail into the wall. The nails are in the toolbox. Right means correct. 1 + 2 = 3. This is right. Parents help their kids make the right choices. The word right can also mean something that people are entitled to. Employee rights in the workplace must be enforced. Human rights activists fight for democracy. Right also means a direction. Should I go left or right? Please turn right. The word left can mean remaining. There is nothing left on the plate. I left my car keys at home. Left also means a direction. Should I go left or right? Please turn left. We use the word can to describe an ability. He can jump very high. Can you speak English? Can also means a container. I want to have a can of pop. Please recycle the empty can. Bright means smart or clever. Companies like hiring bright college grads. She's a straight-A student. She's a bright kid. Bright can also mean something that is full of light. It's bright outside. A bright light. A rock is a stone. My hobby is collecting rocks. Her hobby is rock climbing. The word rock also describes a type of movement. A massive earthquake has rocked the city. The mom rocks the baby to sleep. Fire is something that burns. A forest fire. The house is on fire. The word fire also has two other meanings. The first one, let's fire up the barbecue grill. That means to get the grill started. And number two, he was fired from his job. That means the person was terminated from his job. A ring is something that you put on your finger. An engagement ring. A sapphire ring. Ring also means a tone. Your phone is ringing. Pick it up. Someone rings the doorbell. A ship is a type of transportation vehicle. A cruise ship. Don has worked as a ship captain for 20 years. The word ship also means to deliver. The products will be shipped out shortly. It's faster to ship by courier. Fall means to lose balance or to drop down. Be careful, don't fall down the stairs. I have trouble falling asleep. Fall means autumn, okay, a season of the year. Fall is my favorite season. The trees change colors in the fall. Band means a group of musicians. A live band is performing on stage. A marching band. Band also means a ring. Wedding bands. A ruler is an instrument that we use to measure things or to draw straight lines with. We need a ruler to measure things. Use a ruler to draw a straight line. Ruler can also mean the king. Okay. Tigers are rulers of the jungle. The ancient ruler of Egypt. Drop means to put down or to fall. The courier drops off a package at the front door. It's fragile. Don't drop it. The word drop can also mean small, tiny pieces of liquid. Small drops of rain. Little drops of water. Express is a special type of transportation that takes you straight to your destination. They are taking the express bus to the airport. The express train leaves at 9 a.m. The word express also means to show. Don't be afraid to express your opinion in public. There are no words to express your excitement. The word saw has two meanings. The first one, it means it's a tool that you use to cut things. An electric saw. Saw is also the past tense of the verb to see. I saw my friends at the park yesterday. Tip. The word tip has two meanings. The first one is gratuity that you give to the waiter. Please leave a generous tip for the waiter. The second meaning for tip is the edge of something. She puts black paint on the tip of her nose. The word lie has two meanings. The first one means to not tell the truth. Parents should teach their kids not to lie. And the second meaning to lie means to be in a reclining position. He lies on the sofa. Fly means a type of insect. The fly looks disgusting. There's a fruit fly on the leaf. Fly means to travel in air. There's a plane that's flying in the sky. A bird can fly. Tie has two different meanings. The first one is an accessory that men wear on their shirts. The man wears a tie. And the second meaning to tie means an equal amount of something. 3 to 3, it's a tie. Date has two meanings. The first one means two people going out. They're dating. And the second meaning to this is the day that's on the calendar. What is the date today? Current means now. I love listening to the news on current world issues. The current balance owed on your credit card is $400. current means moving water. The bottle gets drifted away by the current. A swift river current. Address means the location of a building or a house or somebody's home. My address is 7757 Main Street. The sender's address is at the top of the envelope. Address also means to fix a problem. How will the government address the pollution problem in the city? We need to address the bullying problem with the teacher. Alright, so that's it for today's lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. And please don't forget to check out my other lessons. I have quizzes and also conversational lessons and IELTS speaking test lessons. So please take a look when you have time. Alright, see you next time. Bye.